Oh, welcome back. Okay, in this particular video, we're going to do hammerlocks. Okay, a hammerlock. Now, basically, this is going to have, again, this is one of those patterns that has 3 different looks to it. Okay, and so we're going to give you 2 angles to give you a nice understanding what that means. So the ladies are actually doing some basics, but they're also going to do some spinning in this. But it is in hammerlock, so it's kind of like giving you a little foundational level and then take it up a notch a little bit.
And then another notch.
And another notch. Okay?
All inside the same.
Exactly. So how we're going to do this is basically we're going to face this way, giving you a side view, and then we're going to do it the other way where I'm on that side. Okay? So basic first, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. Let's switch sides. Now you're going to notice on this particular step that I'm doing a little rock step forward, okay? I teach this also, probably lesson style videos, for the reason why. Now you can go away or in place, but I'm just telling you that's what you need to do to understand why. So here we go from this angle, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool? All right. That is version number 1. Number 2.
After you have that one down pat.
Yes, work on that a little bit. You just don't want to jump in real quick all the time. Now, we're going to have a little spin, okay? But watch where it comes into play. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. I think it was noticeable, don't you? So, here comes the third, but nope, let's take it over here first. So, ready? Second version, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool? All right, now you gotta stop, go practice those 2, and then come back with this next one, which is the third version, okay? Now, ladies, there's a lot of spinning, and gentlemen, you gotta remember, don't yank or pull on this, all right? So here we go. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. I know, very cool, right? All right, here we go. All right, number 3, here we are. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Okay, there you go, there you have it. So you have 3 different versions of that. The hammerlock. Start with the first one and move to the second one and the third one. And the reason why is because you just don't want to jump in and wonder why things are happening timing rhythm-wise, okay? Again, we go into detail about this in the private lesson style video. So,
and another good reason to go look at that turns and spin video.
Yes, absolutely. Again, the system built off of let you know how to get from one thing to another, but also builds a skill so that you look better and feel better and with more confidence on the floor. Okay, so it's up to you to go practice now, together or separate, and then come on back to the next pattern.